Hello all, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session we will discuss about user login attempts, right? What is that? Before writing this script, before making you understand the script steps, let me mention about the logic, for which logic we are going to discuss. Then we will go ahead for the same. It's nothing but, I believe you have a Gmail account, you have an email account, any email account, right? You have Facebook account, you have any app accounts, right? So take an example. You have Facebook account. Suppose you forgot that password. Suppose you forgot the password. So what it is doing, actually the background, that I am trying to make you understand. There will be a count. There will be a count. If you will try, sometime you have seen, if you will try wrong password, it will give one more time. It will allow one more time for the password. If the second time it will give a wrong password, it will allow third more time. If third time you also will give wrong password, then it will say like give your mobile number or give your alternate mail ID, so that we will send you the OTP. Else click on the forgot password so and so, right? Because they have made the thing like that way, right? So how this thing is happening actually, that thing I am going to discuss with you now. Wait. So how this thing is actually happening? Because the script, the program is written by that way, which way it can allow you three more attempt for wrong, three more wrong attempt. It means either username wrong, either password wrong. Once three more time wrong attempt completed, then system is going for sometime sleep, and then it's allowing you to log in one more session. It means the second time again it will allow you for three more time. That is called second slot. But before start the second slot, how the thing is happening is nothing but, when you gave wrong password the first time, very first time, then it's asking to credential is wrong. Then you are trying to give the correct password, right? But which password second time also you return, that is wrong. Then again it's saying given password or given credential is wrong, right? So again third time you are trying to give the correct password, but still which password you return third time, which password you keyed third time, that is also wrong. So what is saying? You attempt three more time. So please give your alternate mail ID or registered mobile number. Click the forgot password, then give the mail ID or registered mobile number to which they can send OTP, and by using that OTP you can reset your password if you unable to remember your correct password, right? This is what the funda is actually happening from the Google, actually happening from the any other mailing, or is happening from the our Facebook media sites and all. Actually this is the actual process is happening, the correct procedure is happening like that only, right? So this is too much important. That is what my intention is, make you understand the steps, exact steps, each steps, how the thing is happening background, right? Because they don't want to lose the user. Suppose you are having a Gmail account, I am having a Gmail account, so we are customer for the Google. So Google don't want to lose the user. The same thing Facebook, you are having Facebook account, I am having Facebook account. If I forgot the password, that does not mean they will say goodbye to you. It's not like that. They will show you the procedure, they will show you the path by which way you can troubleshoot it, by which way you can log in your username, right? This is what the main thing. First of all, they don't want to lose the user. The second thing, you also don't want to lose your service, what service you are getting free of cost, right? Either free of cost or cost, forget about that part. So how the things is actually happening, this is what the way how it's happening, for which reason, for which logic we are going to write the script, and then we'll execute. After that we'll come to know whether it's working or not, right? Before that, now I'll show you in my laptop. Now I did not write any script for the same. Red Hat has been written the script. Red Hat already been written the script, like that way, by which way I am going to explain you. Okay, for which script I am going to explain you, that is nothing but it's already edited by Red Hat only. But I am not going to explain that exact that way. I am going to explain somewhat more different way, more advanced way, right? So that you need to understand each thing. Red Hat just edited the time one slot they given, and they given 4 attempt wrong. That is what the thing is, they have made the script. But I am going to explain somewhat more. But before that, what Red Hat has been done, that I am going to show you that result first. Then we will go ahead for writing the script. If I will show you the result, which result for which logic Red Hat has been done, if you understand that, first you have to understand that response. Then only we will go for the script. It will be right way to understand it, right? So what I'll do now I am on this terminal. What I'll do, I'll go for the one more terminal. I'll open one more terminal. This is my one more terminal. What I'll do now, I'll try to log in root user. My root user password I given Red Hat. To be honest, if I tell also, you can't do anything else. Okay. So, however, that is, forget about this. Now, my root user I am trying to log in. Now root, my password is Red Hat. It's allowing me to log in, right? What is the last phrase, so and so, like that. Now I am able to log in. Now I am on root only, right? My host name is IBM1, right? So what I'll do now I'll go for one more console. Here what I'll do, I'll give Red Hat, I'll give wrong password. What is saying? Login incorrect. Again, I'll give correct username, but I'll give incorrect password. What is saying? Login incorrect. Here also I'll take one more attempt. I'll give username correct, but password I'll give wrong. What is saying? Login incorrect. How many times I have done already? 3 times. This is 4th time, right? 4th time it's not allowing me. What is saying? Now it's clear the screen. And it started one more new slot. It's nothing but one more count is started. It's reset the first 4th time attempt. Then now it's starting new slot, which is nothing but the new count. Again this procedure will happen 4th wrong attempt. In between 4th, if you can remember the password and you can give the correct password, then it will allow you to enter inside the terminal and perform your day-to-day activities. This is what the main funda. So now take an example. Now I'll give root. I'll give again wrong password. What is saying? Incorrect. Now I'll give root. Again I'll give wrong password. What is saying? Again it's login incorrect, right? Now here I'll give correct password. It will allow me. It is allowing me, right? Isn't it? Where am I? Under root. So what I'll do now I'll exit it, right? Now here also I went, here also I exit it. Now I'll come to my main GUI mode where I'm trying to show you that script. So here that script already been written, because it's long script, so I don't want to take your much more time. So already I have been written that script. I'll just what I'll do, I'll cap that script, I'll make you understand, then I'll go ahead. Sorry, this is my script. How I written? First, the very first line is nothing but cban and /bin/bash is nothing but the interpreter. Count equal to 1. Count equal to 1 is nothing but what I given. This is the slot. This is the slot. Then it means it will allow us fourth time attempt. Fourth time wrong attempt. In between fourth time, if you will give, suppose the third count I will give correct password, then it will allow me to insert. Then it will allow me to insert. Then I can perform my day-to-day activities. This is what the meaning of first count equal to 1. Again, the last count also one more is there. Okay, what is the meaning of that? When I will reach there, then I will make you understand. Then only you can understand. If I tell now the difference between the first count equal to 1 and last count equal to 1, it will be a confusion for you. So now you just keep in your mind the first count equal to 1 is nothing but it will allow you fourth time attempt. It will allow you fourth time attempt. Fourth time attempt equal to slot 1. Fourth time attempt equal to slot 1. How it is? Fourth time attempt equal to slot 1 is nothing but count equal to 1. Right? I believe you understand. Now what I did here, now I written here check equal to true. Check equal to true. It means I am setting a value of check. I am setting a value of check. What value I set for check is nothing but true. I just mentioned true because this word I am going to mention in my while loop. So I written here while, then I given space, then I put here square bracket, then I given space, then I started double quotation, then I am calling the value of check. I am calling the value of check. How can we call the value of anything? Like we need to give dollar, then we need to start the curly bracket, then we need to give that thing to which value we are calling, right? We are calling the check value. So I written here check, then again here I started the curly bracket, so I need to end the curly bracket, right? So I end the curly bracket. Again before curly bracket, before the dollar I started double quotation, so obviously I have to end that. So I have end here double quotation, then I given 2 equal to nothing but when you are calling a value, and that value also directly we are calling, and the value also we are writing in the loop itself. So this is the way to write it. So first we need to give double equal to, and that value we need to put in that double quotation, right? So I kept in the double quotation and then given a space. Again here I started the square bracket, so I need to end here square bracket, right? So I end here square bracket. I believe everyone understood about this while loop. Now it means here I am calling the value of check. Check value is nothing but true. I mentioned here true, right? Now I will go for do, and then I am going to read. What I am going to read? I given read hyphen p, then I started double quotation login, then colon, then double quotation and then name. As usual the same way I am calling to password. I am reading password. So now this is nothing but it will ask you login. Do you remember when I was trying to log in, first you are asking password, then it was asking for the password only, right? So it means you need to give username and then you need to give the password, then only it will check. Then it will come to here if statement. In that statement what I written, first I am calling the value of username. So value of username I given root, and then when we are again I am saying when you are attaching to statement, middle of that we need to give double ampersand. So I given double ampersand here, and second statement I am writing for the password only, right? So what password? I am calling the value of password. What password I given? Password I given Red Hat. For which user? Root user, right? This is my statement. So it means if it will found correct username and password, then it will give welcome user, and then here /n is nothing but it will get one more new line here, okay? And -x is nothing but it will explorer, okay? It is express. It will express or explore. Now check equal to false. Check equal to false. This is too much important thing. Keep in your mind, or if it's required, please note somewhere. Check equal to false. It is nothing but, okay, if I'll give username, either username or password, any one wrong means then it's going to break the loop. Then it's going to break this loop. Then it's going to break the loop. Either username or either password. That is nothing but check equal to false, because here I given check equal true. So check equal true is nothing but when my username and password is correct, that time only my check equal, that time only my while loop is working. that time only my while loop is working. If username or password any one is wrong means it means my while loop is not going to work. So it means my check equal to false. My condition is false. When my condition is false, it will break and it will come out. So okay, once it's come out, then where it's going to count. Okay, one it's going to count. Then we are going to call the count value plus 1. How many attempt it will do? Plus 1. Then it will go for iteration. Then it will go for first iteration, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration. Right? Do remember when I was trying to log in the root user in different console, I given 4 time attempt, right? 4 time wrong password. So it means after one wrong attempt, then it's allowing me for the second. Then it's giving a password, something incorrect login. Then it's allowing me for the second attempt, isn't it? Then after I given second wrong information, wrong password, then it's allowing me for the third attempt, right? Isn't it? So it's allowing me till fourth, so that this is nothing but it will count till fourth. Then what is saying? Echo -e, not an authorized user, please try again. This message will occur. And then it will allow for the till fourth attempt. So how it will be fourth attempt? Then here we need to start one more if statement, then only it will be. So how? We need to give if space, then we need to start the square bracket, then we need to give space, then we need to give the this one dollar. Then we need to call the value of count. When I'm calling the value of count, when I'm calling the any values, we need to write in the curly bracket. So we write in the curly bracket and then space -eq nothing but the equal to how many attempt we can take? We can take fourth attempt. So I given 4. Then as I started here square bracket, I need to end it, right? So I end here. Then if this is fine, if all are correct, then it will go for sleep. It means if all 4 attempt is wrong, then system will go for sleep for 4 seconds. Okay, then it will clear the screen. Do you remember when I have taken 4th wrong attempt? After that my screen was clear, right? My screen was clear, and then it was giving me the second slot. In second slot again it will allow me 4th time. If I'll give wrong password, right? If I'll give in between that second attempt, third attempt, or last attempt itself will give correct password, means chances would be there. It will allow me to insert. Okay, else if till 4th attempt I am giving the wrong password, means it will give incorrect, and after the last attempt it will clear the screen. It will come for the new slot, right? So this is what, then it will clear the screen. After that what is saying? Count equal to what? Now when I mention this count equal to 1, this count equal to 1 is nothing but it will allow us to attempt 4th time. Once 4th time done, then its system is going for sleep, then it's going to clear the screen. After that 4th attempt is there, right? So what this count equal to 1 will do, it will reset the first 4 attempt, whichever attempt you have taken here. It will reset the first 4 attempt, and then one more slot will start. This is what the main funda. Then this is my enter statement, and that is these two is my enter statement. This two, first is here is one enter statement, and this is my also one more enter statement, right? On over this this is my outer loop. Right? So this is all about it. Now I am going to done this row. Now done. Once done, now we will go ahead to execute the script. So what is asking? Login. I'll give root. I'll give correct password. So what it will do? What is saying? Username, welcome user, and root. Right? So what is saying? While check true, it means now it was asking username, I given username. It is asking password, I given correct password. If my statement is true, if my username and password is true, then it will allow me, it will give the message welcome user, right? If wrong, now this check equal to false. If wrong, so what I'll do now? So I'll give root, I'll give password something XYZ. What is saying? Not an authorized user, please try again. So now this thing has been done. Now what is saying? My check is not true. It's my condition is not true. When my condition is not true, it means when my condition is false, it's immediately switching to here. It's immediately switching to here. What is the use of this? This is nothing but it will give the fourth attempt one by one. But message, what message will occur? Not an authorized user, please try again. The same message we got here, right? After that, what is saying? This statement will work. This statement is nothing but it will go till equal to 4. It will go till equal to 4. How it will go? Count. It will call the count value one by one. Then it will give attempt to us. It will give chance, 4 chance. It will give 4 attempt chance. It will give. Okay. In between 4, if you will give correct password, then it will allow it. If you will give wrong password, then it will give this same message. Okay. When it's 4th attempt done means 4th attempt completed, and that too wrong means then this count will come to the picture. What it will do? It will reset your 4th attempt and then one more slot it will start. So how? Let's go ahead. Again I will give wrong password. What is saying? The same message. Again I will give wrong password. Now 4th attempt done. What is saying? Not an authorized user, please try again. It went for 4 seconds sleep. Then now one more new slot started. So now I'll give again wrong password. What is saying? Not an authorized user. Now here I'll give again wrong password. What is saying? Not an authorized user. Now here I'll give correct password. Now sorry, I given wrong password also here. So now it's attempt. Now this is my 3rd slot. Now you'll give, suppose like an example, I'll give wrong password. Now it's not allowing me, right? So now I'll give correct password. Now it's allowing me, right? I believe everyone understood it, and this is the way from all sites is working. Gmail, Facebook, whatever blah blah kind of media sites are there, like that only we are working, right? Like that only they are working. So this is all about user login attempts, how the way it's developed, how the way program written. I believe everyone understood. If still somewhere you did mistake or somewhere you are getting error, I'd like to request you, please write in the comment box so that I can reach you. I can fix that bug. I can make you understand that assurance I'm giving to you. Each and every step I can make you understand. At any time you can reach to me, and if you want to talk to me over phone call, I'd like to request you, please view my profile. Phone number is mentioned there. You can reach to me. Even mail ID also mentioned there. If you want to write some mail also, you can reach to me via our mail. Well, so this is all about this script. End of this session, I like to request you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so for that I can bring much more solution, much more concept, much more way to troubleshoot your day-to-day issues, and by which moreover the main thing is you can upgrade your skill set and then you can reach your life goal, right? So thanks to click this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Again I'm saying to you, and yeah, well, thanks to giving very nice feedback, and thanks for your good comment.